All right, welcome back. I have another case review for the Pixel 7 Pro. I apologize for my sinus issues. My sinuses are horrible here in San Antonio, so I do apologize about that. But I just wanted to do this case review for the Caseology Parallax case for the Pixel 7 Pro. This is it here on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. It says military grade. I'm trying to find what drop protection they state it as having. Let's see. It says drop 26 times at a height of 48 inches. So what? That's 4 feet. That's probably waist high for the majority of people. Let's check the case out here. Again, I'll put this link down in the description here for y'all. It has a really, really cool design. It feels great in the hand. It's flexible, but not super flexible. Has nice grips down here at the bottom where your palms are going to be like this. It has a cool heat dissipation design here on the inside. You got some labeling on the inside. I believe this does have those air pockets in all 4 corners for good drop protection. And there is one concern that I did have that I'm glad the concern did not really come true. As you could tell with this design of this case, the sides of this case, if you can see on this right side and on the left side here, it really, when you put it on your phone, really wraps around your phone like this. And I was concerned when I first got it that it would lift up, on the screen protector here on the Pixel. However, it does not, because if you look at this case, let's see here. What is this? Speaking case for the Note 20. It comes up on the side, but yeah, as you can tell, it just stops right here. This Caseology case really wraps around the side, but I'll show you it. There's no concern. This has been a really good case. Huge cutout for to support a bunch of different chargers for the charging port. You got your speaker cutouts. You got the buttons, power, volume. There's some cutouts in there. It says really good camera protection. Check that out. Really cool design. It's got felt top up here, felt bottom. It's got this little strip. Now, this does not come off. That's another thing that I was worried about. Cases over the years in the past with construction like this that would have an extra added on piece. Over time, obviously, you would, tend to rip off or the glue that they applied would come off. But I have not had any issues with this whatsoever. And I don't even think it's an extra part. I just think it's a piece of construction of this mold that they just painted gray, slapped their logo on there. But let's put it on the phone and give it a look. I really, really like this case. They have this. What other colors do they have this in? Let's see. They got sage green, which is this one. They got ash gray. Looks like that. They have a burgundy color, which is pretty cool. Kind of a maroon look. And then they have a matte black, which looks really cool. If you have the black Pixel, that would look awesome with that black camera bar. But since I had the white Pixel with the silver camera bar, which would still look cool inside this black, but I just thought sage green would look really cool with this one. Plus, my wife has the green Pixel, as you could tell. So her gold, when she uses this case, looks really nice inside here. But let's go ahead and put this on. And now, again, with these all 4 sides wrapping around up and over the phone here, the screen. Let's see. Let me clean this up so we can get a good look at the screen protector here. And I'll show you. It does not impede or push up on the screen protector. Goes on nice and easy. Buttons work. Volume buttons work. me get rid of some of these notifications. I apologize. Lord have mercy, I got a bunch. Okay, yes. Let me do this. Let me do it all at once. Clear all. There we go. Okay. So, volume button, nice and clicky. Very easy to push. Power button. Very easy. And as you can tell, let me get something to point with. The screen protector, as you can tell, right. Damn. You see the very, I apologize. Let's see. The very top of the screen protector. You see that real faint line that goes across the top? So this case will fit most screen protectors and not push it up. Because we have gotten some cases in the past where the screen protector, it'll really push up on the screen protector and it causes issues. Okay, so there's the screen protector. Yeah, it fits perfectly. Now let's look at the lip protection. It's definitely got some lip protection, so you can put your phone face down on a table, counter, and it will not scratch your screen. Let's look at the back. Look at that. It looks nice. The silver camera bar of the Pixel, and then you got the silver bar from Caseology down there. It really fits in the hand perfectly. Feels nice. You got grips on the side, so it's not easily going to slip out of your hand. Real good grip. It's soft. Classic design. I mean, it's just a really good looking case. And it's kind of soft too, so it's gonna, if you do drop your phone on a hard surface, ground, and that's going to absorb most of the impact. Again, with those air pockets in all four corners, it'll definitely absorb the impact. Let's check out these down here. Huge, that is a giant note, and I love that huge, enormous cutout for the charger, because there's some chargers. Look, let me grab one real quick. There's some chargers here that have huge, some aftermarket, like this, like that's a jacked up one, right? But look, fits perfectly in there. No issues. See, charging. Some cases that have smaller cutouts, some of my charging cables will not charge the device. You don't need to see any others. It works. And then you got big cutouts for the speakers, and you got your mic right there up top. And then look at this. Look at that camera protection. This is definitely going to protect your camera. You know, on some of these Pixel cases, it'll have this whole section from left to right is cut out, where the back of the case is level with the camera hump on the Pixel, which is really dangerous, because if you drop your phone back down, not face down, but back down just like that, if there's any tiny rocks, any pebbles will definitely either crack and or scratch your camera bar right there on your Pixel. So if you're concerned about keeping this safe, this case will definitely do it. See how much space it's got. And then also, I also put a strip over here. I put you can buy skins on the back of the phone. I put a strip across the camera bar there just to keep it nice and safe. But look at that. Easy goes on easy. Camera protection right there. You got screen protection. And it looks nice. You got the Caseology logo there. Just a really good looking case. So I'll put a link in the description for y'all for this case. So I appreciate everything. And if y'all got any questions, please let me know. Bye.